Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Netlify for hosting no-code app frontends step by step clearly. Start by navigating to the Netlify website. Once you're on the home page, click on the Sign Up button. You can choose to sign up using your email address or connect via GitHub, GitLab, or Bitbucket. If you opt for email, fill in your details and create a password. After signing in, you will be directed to the Netlify dashboard. To create a new site, click on the New Site from Git button. You will now need to select your Git provider. Authorize Netlify to access your Git account if prompted. Once authorized, you will see a list of your repositories. Select the repository that contains your no-code app frontend. Next, configure the deployment settings. In the Branch to Deploy field, select the branch you want to deploy, typically main or master. In the Build Command field, enter the command necessary to build your app, if applicable. For no-code apps, this might not be necessary. In the Publish directory, specify the folder that contains the static files, often dist or build. Once you have filled in the details, click the Deploy Site button. Netlify will begin the deployment process and show progress updates. Once deployment is complete, click on the link provided to view your live site. You can customize your site settings from the dashboard. For custom domains, navigate to the Domain Settings section. Follow the provided instructions to link your custom domain to your Netlify site. Your no-code app frontend is now successfully hosted on Netlify. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.